Samsung begins mass production of SSD for fast-performing PCs. Samsung officially announced the mass production of the fastest solid-state drive for personal computers. The South Korean tech giant has begun preparing for the PCIe 5.0-based product, model name PM9E1, with the industry's greatest performance and potential, claimed Samsung. Samsung also added that the memory stick is made up of a 5nm base controller and 8 Gen V NAND technology. Its main target is to offer a powerful performance and enhanced power efficiency, making it an optimal solution for on-device AI PCs. The company is diligently working to accomplish. The PM9E1 offers an enhanced 14.5 GB reading speed and 13 GB writing speed, with an extensive array of data-driven artificial intelligence apps. Moreover, the PM9E1 will be available in several storage variants, such as 512 GB, 1 TB, 2 TB, and 4 TB. SSD security is comprised of significant protocols such as secure channel, device authentication, and firmware tampering attestation. The South Korean tech giant would provide the PCIe 5.0-based solution to PC manufacturers worldwide. Later, it will be available to a wider range of markets, but certainly not before the PM91 received a great name like 1090 Pro or any reminiscent one.